Hey, so what's the best way to start and learn Amazon FBA without breaking the bank? Now, it's called Helium 10 Freedom Ticket. Now, what is that? This is a course by a company called Helium 10 and a mentor that his name is Kevin King, 8-figure seller on Amazon. Usually this course costs $997, but you can get it for only $39 and even a bit cheaper with a discount in the description if you invest into Helium 10. Helium 10 is a software for Amazon sellers that helps you with different things on Amazon, but also with the software, this course, Freedom Ticket, which is about 30-hour course that shows you how to start selling on Amazon and how to do that in the private label way of things on Amazon. It's called private label. The course Freedom Ticket will show you that from A to Z for only $39 a month with a starter plan of Helium 10, and even cheaper with the special discounts that I have for you in the description. If you want to try Helium 10, there's a free trial also link in the description. There's also a playlist of tutorials, over 150 tutorials that show you how to use all the parts of Helium 10, together with my review of Helium 10 Freedom Ticket. So you can read what I think about this course. I went myself through that course, and I think it's a useful course for Amazon sellers, for beginners who want to start, and even those who are already selling. Like, it's pretty much a steal for that price. Now, the starter plan by Helium 10 that's called Starter is somewhat limited plan. However, it gives you full access to the course. So I would recommend you going through the course, finishing it, understanding if you want to do this business model or not, is it even interesting for you? And then you can upgrade to the platinum or the diamond plan of Helium 10 to get most of the features of the Helium 10 set of tools. So in the description, free trial of Helium 10, best discounts. There's going to be an affiliate link, means if you ever use it, I'm going to get a little commission from Helium 10, no extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content and it's not going to cost you more. You only save money. Start the course, see how you like it, finish it, and then it's one of the best ways to start and learn Amazon FBA because it's really not a lot of money. It's not going to break your bank, and you can use the money to put into products. So you can start trading on Amazon. You're not going to invest too much into education, but you will have the money to invest into the products. So you can hopefully start making some money on Amazon, or at least trying, without breaking your bank, because some courses are a bit more expensive, which is okay. But here you can get access to the course for $39, and with a discount is going to be about 36 or something like that. So check it out in the description. Have a great day. Start, keep going, and hopefully you will get to good results. Myself, I'm an Amazon seller since 2016, and I'm still selling actively on the platform. So it's not an easy business, but it's definitely a business that is worth your time if you know how to do it well. And you can eventually sell this business, which is really nice. So definitely recommend you trying, and good luck to you.